Alright, so we are back for the second part of this video. The only thing about this video that is going to probably disappoint me is I did not bring my curling iron, so I have to use my straightener. And I can't really curl my hair with these straighteners, but we're going to do what we can do with them because that's all we got. I have already used a hot comb on the top part of my hair. Really, when I do this curtain bang look, I don't have to do an exact middle part. I kind of just laid it flat and opened it up in the middle. We are about to go ahead and start cutting. I did pick up my razor comb. I hope that it's not dull and I hope that it works because I really like to use these for the bangs. Both sides, I'll just pull it from the back and bring it around to the front. This is how I cut my own hair when I'm cutting it. We're going to start out where we want the bangs. Just say I'm going to do like a triangle shape in the front. Pinch the hair together, and then I'm going to take my razor comb and I'm just going to start slicing down like that. So this is just according to what length you want your bangs to be. I usually go back in when I'm done and trim up the bangs some more, but this is just the start. I don't want to take off too much hair because I can't get it back. All right, so now that we have our guide for both sides, we are going to start cutting from that. And I'm just going to bring the hair around to the opposite side. I'm going to take my actual shears now and I'm just going to diagonal cut. Just like that. And we're just going to keep doing that until we get this whole side done. This longer section, we're just going to bring that to the front and cut that as well. I'm already happy with this compared to this side. This already looks so good. We haven't even got to the layers yet. And I'm already happy. Let me go ahead and cut this side. The bangs, I feel like once I curl them, I'm going to have to probably cut them a little bit because I do want them kind of in my face. But we'll see. Maybe when I curl it, it won't look so long. But let's go ahead and do the layers. So I'm just going to cut my layers away from my face using the curtain bangs as my guide. Okay, so this is the final part. I'm just going to do a little bit of smoothing because, like I said before, I don't have the tools I actually want to have. So I'm just going to take this little section in the front. And then I'm just going to pull out and go away from my face. I'm going to pull away from my face. That's my cord hitting the cabinet. So now that I got that part around the face curled, way better than what I thought, I'm just going to bring this towards my face now. Grab my comb. So I'm just going to bring it towards my face with a little bit of a bump. Y'all. And here I am thinking this flat iron wasn't going to do what it needed to do. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at this. When you get to this part, you can probably curl it however you want, whether you want to go towards the face or not. Oh my gosh. OMG. Let me go ahead and curl the other side before I start blending his hair. I'll be right back. Why did I think those flat irons was not going to do what they needed to do? Oh my gosh, y'all. Let me just show y'all what these layers look like, and I'm going to let y'all go. This is the actual haircut. I don't have to have somebody check it because I wanted it to be choppy. So if it's uneven, then good. If it don't look how I want it to look, then I'll cut some more and I'll let y'all know. But I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. Yeah. Yeah.